Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem. We have to find out the remainder when 2 power 2026 is divided by 26. Now when solving this problem, we are not going to apply any shortcuts. We are not going to apply any theorems. We are going to just purely go and find out the remainders. The only rule or the law what we are going to apply is I am going to explain now. That is the only thing which we are going to follow to solve this problem. First of all, what is the meaning of remainder and how we represent that? Suppose let us say we have 11, we are dividing with 4. We will do 4 twos are 8, 3. So this is our quotient, this is our remainder, and this is divisor. So we will write down 11 by 4 equals to 2 3 by 4, or in the format of Q R by T. Also, can I write down 11 equals to 4 into 2 plus 3? Now, if you take 11 and you divide with 4, the remainder is 3. Now that we can represent it in another way, which says that 11 remainder is 3. What is the meaning of that is, when you take 11 and you divide by 4, you will be getting the remainder as 3. And we read it as 11 congruent modulo to 3 mod 4. That means 11 minus 3 is divisible by 4, or when you divide 11 by 4, the remainder is 3. Now once we understood that, let's generalize it and say that suppose I am dividing A by N, then the remainder is B, and if I am dividing C by N, the remainder is D, then we can say that AC will be the remainder when you divide AC by N, the remainder will be BD. If A gives a remainder of B when divided by N and C gives a remainder of D when divided by N, then AC will give you BD as the remainder when divided by the N. Not only that, we can also say that A square when divided by N will give the remainder as B square. Now this is what we are going to use in this particular problem. That's the only thing we are going to use. So we'll take some 2 to the power of something and we'll just go on square it, square it, square it. We'll see what are the remainders we are getting. And we pick the numbers appropriately and we multiply and we'll get our answer. So let's go ahead and start with that. First, you are dividing by 26. Now, 2 to the power of which value will be more than 26? So I will say 2 power 5, which is 32. 32 when you divide by 26, the remainder will be 6. So I will say 2 by 5, 2 to the power of 5 is congruent to modulo to 6 mod 26. So when I square it, it will become 2 power 10 and here it will become 36, right? 36 mod 26. Now 36 is more than 26, so you can remove 126. You will have the remainder as 10 mod 26. Now let's go to the next one. We'll square it again and we will say 2 power 20 is divided by 26. Then the remainder will be 10 square. 10 square is 100. 100 when you divide by 26, 3 times it will go, remainder will be 22. So 22 mod 26. Now let's square it again. We will have 2 power 40. In that case, the remainder will be 22 square, 484. 484 when you divide with 26, the remainder will be 16 because it will go 18 times. So it will be 16 mod 26. Next time when you do 2 power 80, again you will get the same remainder 22 only. Again you do next time, you will get the remainder as 16. Again you do next time, you will get the remainder as 22. Again you do next time, you will get the remainder as 16. Next time you will get the remainder as 22, and next time you will get the remainder as 16. Now we got all the powers whatever we need. We need 2 to the power of 2026. We want to now divide that in such a way that we can utilize whatever the values we got here, all of this. So I will write it as 2 power 1280 into 2 power 640. 1920 is covered. We can use 2 power 80. We can use 2 power 20. Then we can use 2 power 6. Now, so our problem becomes 2 power 2026 is what remainder it is leaving when divided by 26 is nothing but equals to whatever the remainder I am getting for 1280. What is the 1280 remainder? We have 22. Then what is the remainder I am getting for 640? That is 16. Then 80, what is the remainder I am getting? That is 22 again. 20, what is the remainder I am getting? That is again 22. And 2 power 6 is 64. 64 will leave the remainder of 12 when divided by 26. So this will be our answer. We have to just do this calculation and continuously divide them by 26 so that we can get a number, finally the remainder. So let's go ahead and do that. For that what we will do, we'll divide them into groups of 2 each. 22 into 16 is 352. 22 into 22 is 484, and 12 we will leave it like that, and we'll say mod of 26. Mod of 26. Now 352, when you divide by 26, it will go 13 times and it will give you the remainder as 14. 484 we have seen already, it will give a remainder of 16, and this is 12, and dividing by 26, this will be the remainder. Now next time when we go, we will have 14 into 16 is 224. 224 when you divide by, okay, I'll write down 224 into 12 mod 26. Now 224 when you divide by 26 will give you a remainder of 16, and this will be 12 mod 26. So 2002 power 2026 when divided by 26, the remainder will be 192, which is more than 26. We need to get a number which is less than 26. So 16 into 12, which is 192. Let us divide by 26. 7 times it will go. Remainder will be 10. That means our final answer, the remainder is 10. So 2 power 2026 when divided by 26, the remainder will be 10. Or the question can be restructured as